Welcome back. For many children, summer is a break from school, but in one St. Catherine community, it's a time of learning, hope, and opportunity through a summer program changing young lives. Yannick Williams has this story.
Fast asleep in a corner of the classroom. For this little girl, this isn't just a nap. It's the comfort of knowing she's safe. Hidden behind the walls of Born-Again Mystic Deliverance Ministry in Central Village, St. Catherine, is a summer school that has been changing lives for more than a decade. At the heart of it is Crystal Smith. Once a resident in the community, she now returns from overseas each summer, where she works as a teacher to give back to the community that helped shape her future.
There were a group of young people, about say 15, 16 of them, and they were in choir rehearsal. As young as 6 years old, straight up to about 13, 14, some in high school. And they were in choir rehearsal. I saw them and I felt real moved to just be a part of their lives. And I said to, the leader of this church, Chief Apostle Suzette Green, may I have them to mentor them, to guide them? And she said, yes, you may.
In a community often faced with social and economic challenges, the program offers more than academics. It provides children with guidance and life lessons beyond the classroom.
So in 2015, I had the idea that why not do something for this community and not just for the children here. I went ahead and I started a summer school program. We asked for students, children, any age group. I asked for them to come and be a part of it.
Her journey has inspired others with several of the programs. Former students have now returned not as pupils, but as volunteers and mentors.
Auntie Crystal is a very sociable person. She's very passionate about teaching and just being with kids overall. She had the initiative from 2014. I myself have been a part of this program throughout high school. I have completed my studies at the Michael University College, and now I'm here, to give back to the community, and because of that, I'm feeling very proud.
Together, they help teach the children who now walk the same path they once did, creating a cycle of learning, leadership, and giving back.
I think it will help them by, being, active, keeping them busy, because, like not being engaged in many activities can, help them to, stray a bit and, develop like into gangs and stuff like that.
It was very good. It was something new, so it was something to embrace, because, like going to school, I've never participated in like summer school until Auntie Crystal, came up with the initiative and we started with her.
She hopes to one day build her own school, saying her true legacy is seen in the lives she's helped shape and the community she continues to inspire.
I just want the world, Jamaica, to know that we're doing something real good here, and students here, parents see the changes in how they behave, in their academics, and we're grateful that we have teachers who were part of the program years ago who are also continuing this.
With your ray of hope, I'm Yannick Williams.